Sounds like a plan, right, girls? Right, ladies? Let's go. Okay. Good morning. It's Saturday morning. I have my template. This is the current state of everything right now, and I'm just gonna look here. And this is the current state of me. Honestly, I would love to do a cute setup with a cute me and stuff, but like cute me and cute setup is currently unavailable. Oh, and I'm gonna be using this phone I'm recording now, so the quality is gonna go back a little. It's gonna fall. I have my cornstarch, I have my gloves. Yes, I am now protected.
Okay, hey, I realized I haven't given much of an introduction or backstory. If you're subscribed, you know me. What's up? But hey, I'm Liaya, and I basically decided to make this phone case after realizing it does not exist on the market anywhere. And I think we all wanted a pair phone. So why not turn your phone into a pair phone? Hello?
Anyways, that's supposed to be hello?
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 This is gonna be huge, by the way.
Got that booty popping like.
But yeah, I haven't eaten breakfast. I'm hungry, but yeah, okay. That was easy. Wow. Afro circus, Afro circus, Afro. Cornstarch. And the big guy, the silicone. I can hardly breathe. Invite voiceover Ali. Voiceover Ali, please. Hi guys. Okay. So to be honest, I thought I could have just like, you know, squeeze all of the silicone into the cornstarch, start mixing, and it will automatically mix it to the splitter. Child, it was disastrous. Ladies and gentlemen, if you touch a glue-like substance, what does it do? It sticks, okay? I should have put cornstarch on my hand first.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
So I could read the new part that I just did is still kind of soft. It's getting hard, so yeah, I need to move swift now. And yeah, okay. I freaked out when I started mixing the color, and it just started hardening up on me because it just left the dough there for too long. Because I mean, the silicone would cure. It's silicone and thing. Oh, you can see me behind it. Cute. Anyways, I'm gonna cry. It's so hard already. No. All my hard work wasted. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna actually cry because oh my goodness, it's already curing up. I waited too long. I'm gonna cry. This isn't fun. Oh, I can do this. I can do this. Cut the cameras. I can't do this. Okay, so this is fine. Anyways, so this fits like that. So I'm just gonna fill out this and then make more.
5, 4, 3, 2. I know you see somehow the world will change for me and be so wonderful.
Someone literally just called me and I was like, I can't hear you because this is my phone right now. But I couldn't tell her that. Oh geez, she called me back. Oh, who's this? My phone is covered in silicone.
I'm telling you just how I feel, so
This was obviously made in a factory. This silicone phone case for my Huawei phone. But this is the quality. Like, I mean, I can't say quality, but like this silicone phone case, it acts like, because it's silicone and this is silicone. Okay, that doesn't really make sense.
So she got that booty popping like it's bubble gum.
Okay, so I'm finished the entire front. I mean, I did not cut out the volume buttons because it's kind of difficult, but this is what I have. It looks like a clay mess, especially, ugh.
Oh shoot, a snack. Oh, never mind. Your lips dry as hell. Bruh, y'all come look at.
I got this idea from How to Cake It. Usually when she has like seams and stuff, like just a messy, she makes a thing called fondant paste, which is like rundown fondant with water. So I'm gonna try to like use some silicone and color it and just make a paste and smooth over all the disgustingness. And I'm gonna clean up my workspace because this, my dear, is a a mess. So I'm gonna clean it up. Right now, as I'm speaking to you, it's downstairs. It's finished, shaped, being shaped. I just need it to come out smooth, perfect, and like, you know. This is the last you're gonna see of me looking this rusty. I think I should do it. Ooh. It's the girl's finger. Yay, my baby's back. Ooh, ooh, my baby's back. Wait, let me at least turn this off. That makes sense, okay. Okay, so, is it a phone case? Yes, I was able to peel my phone out of this and it springs back. Yes, this is the section I'm most proud of, this below here. I'm gonna clean up everything and make it look nice, but the shape, I got it down. And my power button, there's a hole cut out there, and working on that, and I can charge my phone. I've got the main part down, but now I'm gonna eat, fix up myself, get ready to film some other videos, and then I'll revisit this.
Think about me. What you think about it?
5 fingers to the face.
Okay, so let's go downstairs to see how the phone case is coming out. Like, I mean, it should be dry by now. And then let's try to make the paste thing. Yay, I have my tripod and I can actually film on my phone. Yay. Here we are. Hi, welcome to my cell shop. So this is my Perphone phone case as we...
No, oh no, baby, what is you doing?
As you can see, the back needs filling in, so let's do that. The general shape is down, like, look at this. I have a Perphone, yeah. Oh, look at this. I love it already. And it's like silicone, like squishy, 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 squishy. This is where I was kneading and stuff. And this is where I had the case the entire time. Okay, so I have my silicone gun and my cornstarch. Anyways, I think I'm gonna need this template. I'm gonna put this back on this and fill it in from the inside. And then I'm gonna turn everything over and smooth off everything. Sounds like a plan, right, girls? Right, ladies? Let's go. So now you can see what I've actually been doing. I just laid out, like, let me put on a glove. I just lay out some cornstarch here. Woo! Wonderful. More cornstarch, put it on top of it, and knead it, knead it, knead it. What do you call this? Food color. That's more than enough. And then just keep kneading it, kneading it. This video is not recommended for anyone under the age of 16. Do not do anything that I do. Thank you very much. Hold up.
Wait.
There's no chance unless you take.
Smoothing cracks. Smoothing cracks, smoothing cracks. Smoothing cracks. Cracks, cracks, cracks. Why you dancing along to this song? Where your boyfriend at? He gone? Is that a mad kitty put your number wrong? Huh. You're so wrong. Drop down, shawty, get your ego on. Tell your boyfriend you're staying with someone. Matter of fact, put your number in my phone. I'm a fly nigga, turn it up with a shade. Oh, this is the back. You see how these are like all different colors? I'm gonna try to do it all one color, and I'm gonna prop up this because I don't want it to break.
I'm meant to be so candy or best and
I have no idea how to get the back smooth. It looks like a messed up apple pie right now. I hate it. I hate it so much. Maybe it just needs sanding. Could you sand silicone? I'm gonna Google that. Okay, so I Googled it, and basically I just have to wait for this to dry, and I can use a fine grit sandpaper and sand it smooth because it is not smooth, right? Oh, it looks kind of flat, but it ain't smooth, you know what I'm saying? And she's like 20 different colors, but that could be kind of cool, right? Okay, I don't know where a ton was taken, but a ton was taken. After it dried and I sandpapered it, this is what happened. I tried painting it thinking it would look better if it's all one color. It looks so lumpy. Why so lumpy? And then I thought I got the brilliant idea to print this, laminate it, and just stick it on the back. But then I was like, it wouldn't really be silicone and stretchy, so I just, you know, I gave up after a while. I've decided to just alternate between paint and sandpaper in it until it's smooth. I'm having a good time. I promise.
Não vai não. Agora que esse som tá ficando bom. Daqui não vai não. Daqui não vai não. Daqui não vai não. Agora que esse som tá ficando.
Okay, so I mean, after I painted on the logo and the silver sides, it kind of started to come together looking like a pear pen and stuff, but I think I still consider it a fail because of the lumpy bumpy. I mean, but it is a phone case and it is like a silicone phone case. It just, you know, the quality screams homemade. And also, I'm sorry, my face isn't here to join the outro. My apologies for my face. For the front, I wish I had like fabric paint because, you know, it like stretches. For the part where the phone has to go in, I couldn't use my acrylic paint because it would just chip because it has to stretch. And acrylic paint isn't stretchy, so I still consider like, yay, I have a pear pad because like it could make for cool pictures from far away when you can't see lumpy bumpy. But it is what it is. Obviously, it was never supposed to be practical. It was honestly just for fun. My face will be in the next outro. Bye. How am I gonna do this? Good question. Wait. It's not like this. She wanna bring a partner. Okay.